how to do embroidery on plain fabric. Today we'll learn that. And you need cotton plain fabric and the anchor thread. For making neck, you need to make circular design, or you can make square or V-shaped neck or boat neck, whatever neck you want. First draw it. And for this border I have used fern stitch, and this is the French knot. For all over design I have used straight stitch, or you can use the single fern stitch and the French knot. And on the bottom of this kurta or dress I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slanting lines. And on this slanting line you have to use the same fern stitch and French knot. And on this sleeve I have made only single line. If you want, you can use the slanted line pattern on this. I hope you understood how to start this. Now we'll start on fabric, how to do this and all kind of stitches. Thank you. For making this neck design, first draw the neckline, then make the fern stitch. You can refer my previous video if you don't know how to make fern stitch. Start from one point, then go like this. This is the fern stitch. Again repeat the same. Just make the fern stitch all over around the neck, and after this on the top of it we'll make French knot. Wrap around the needle 2 times and go into the fabric for completing French knot like this. Now we will make all over hand embroidery design for the same neck pattern. Now you have to make single fern stitch. This is very easy. Single fern stitch, and on top of every stitch you have French knots. One, two times. Like this. For making this all over an embroidery design, there is one tip. Now I have used orange color for making French knot and green color for making fun stitch. So you can do alternate all over design, like sometime you make French knot with green color and fun stitch with orange color. So this will give unique design and unique pattern. Thank you.